So hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Meta Horizon Desktop Editor. Today we will make a new world from scratch. We will add the things like light and other things. We will duplicate the things. We will make a gun. We will make a smoking effect on the gun, laser light, and everything will be in a beginner way that you will understand, and you can also make a new world of your own, and you can also publish the world in Meta Horizon. If you are new to Meta Horizon, so this is a great video for you to start. And I have been going through the documentation, read all the documentation of Meta, they are so good. But this is a video whose the people don't like to read the documentation. I have also given the all the documentations link in the description. You can install the desktop editor from there. So as a past video was so loved by you, so I made a new video and I hope you like it. So let's start and make a new world in Meta Horizon desktop editor. So this is a preview of our new worlds. These crates with my naming I have created with a GenAI feature. And if you don't know, this is a gun. We can pick it up with E key on the keyboard and drop it with X key on the keyboard. It is so easy. So we will also learn how to fire this gun in this video accurately and how to place all the things in their positions. So first you have to go to this developers.meta.com and you will able to find the link of desktop editor to download it on Windows, and it is completely free for everyone. So when you go to desktop editor, you simply have to click on the new world option. Then your new world is created and there will be nothing when you will see it. You can see this explore the GenAI feature and we will discuss it later. You can also see like the GenAI by clicking here, and after that this is a scene. You can see the console where we will write the scripts, and if there is any error we will able to see it here. And PC debugger and performance, in this video we will not need it. And this is the asset library that we have discussed in the past video, how to import 3D scenes. You can also check out that video. And the my assets folder are assets that are made by us, and if you simply have to do add new and 3D model, animation, texture, anything, we can import it in Meta Horizon. It is simply easy. As you can see in the build feature, we have shapes, gizmos, sounds, gliders, empties, subjects, sublevel, and many more. In the systems, we have quest, leaderboards, and this is not in this video. We will use in this video. This is important section of scripts. We will click on new and name our script as shoot. This will take some time, and our shoot script will be ready in just few seconds. And we will also we will attach this script in our gun to make it functionable. And now we will add the graveyard. Simply you have to go to public assets and search of unfinished, and it's a public asset accessed by everyone, so drag and drop the graveyard here. So you will be able to see the lightings and all the things will be created in one drag only. You can see the trees, it will be loading, don't worry, it will take some time because we are loading the whole environment. And when you will click the play button, then you can see like you can explore them and you can move here and there. It is pretty good. So we are moving. You can see that you cannot be collidable with the wall. The wall will stop you to collidable. And you can see the mushroom with the lighting. We will create this lighting. You can see this white lighting on the floor. We will create this from scratch. And now we will go to the my first world and I will show it to all the assets. First we will set the position. In my world set the position to 0 of x, y, and z. It will make the position to the default as the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis are 0. So when you drop down the arrow of my first world, you can able to see pretty some objects. When you will click it, you will be able to see it. In the lighting sections, there are specific light like static light, dynamic light. There is also moon. You can see these all are pre-generated and it is publicly available. So now what we will do? So first we will make so you can see in the documentations like you can go upward and downward. This is a pretty no. By up down key or W key you can move forward, left, right, jump by space. These are the basics that everyone know. So now we will change the position of the spawn point. Spawn point is a point when you will click to the preview section and the first thing that you will able to see is the spawn point and where your character will be placed on the preview. This is a spawn point. We will change the position, we will rotate it, and now we will duplicate all the elements and we will expand our world. First we will start with the ball. First of all you have to go the back section. Simply click right section of your mouse and with the arrow keys you can move here and there in the preview. So first we will go far away. So we should select all the walls of the boundary walls. We will select all the gates and we will expand our graveyard. So well, we are going to the far away. You will have to also go the far away like you can see here. Yeah, this is the perfect place from where we should copy all the things. First we will duplicate all the things, then we will change the position. So first you have to select the boundary walls as you can see. So now we will select the wall. As you can see, I have selected the wall post. Similarly, we will only select the walls that are on the boundary. We will not select the walls that are back of them and all the other object. Simply we will select the boundary walls and the gate. When you have selected all the walls and all the gates, then simply you have to press Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D is to duplicate all the things that you have selected. So we will press Ctrl plus D and in the few seconds you can see the whole wall, gate and all the posts have been duplicated. As you can see, the whole boundary wall has been selected and it has been duplicated. We are on the rotate option. Simply go to the move option and you will be able to move all the boundary wall. If there is a deselection as you can see here, so simply press Ctrl plus Z to undo and it will undo all the things. Now we will rotate it and we will make it expanded like this. So see it carefully, like there should be no gap in the between of the existing wall. So it should look like pretty realistic that we haven't duplicated it. It is like we will have selected the, as you can see that how we have duplicated the whole boundary wall and we have expanded our graveyard, and this is so easy, like by dragging things we can do it. So we will go to preview section and you can see the difference here is the floor is not visible because we haven't added the light. You can see yes. Now what we will do, we will add light here and we will duplicate the interior objects that like gray. So we will go to the closer view. So we should select all the things. So we will start from the right side. So simply press control on the keyboard and you have to select all the things. Like I have selected the tree, graves and all the things here. Simply press Ctrl plus D. You have to press Ctrl plus D and we will move here. Like you can see it is so easy. So now here also we will add this grave. As you can see, simply we will move it here and we will Ctrl plus D this grave. Like we have created this also and this also. You can see the difference, like first grave with the lighting and this grave with the darkness. Don't worry, we will also add air lighting. And now we will move to the lighting option. Yeah. Now we will select, first we will select all these things and we will place on the left hand side. So simply we have selected all the things here. Yeah. As you can see, like I am duplicating everything by just dragging and dropping all the things in Meta Horizon, and it is like so simple. If you know that how to do it, then you can able to do it. And now we will move forward. We will take these things into the other side, and we have successfully duplicated them. Now you can see that how we have duplicated all these things on the left hand side. Simply select all these objects carefully and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Then you have to duplicate this and place it in left hand side, then duplicate this grave twice. Now we will go to the static light, then press Ctrl plus D, and we have to scale them according to your choice. You have to scale them, and then you have to go to the preview section and you can see the difference. There will be an instant difference when you will go to TV now. Then you will able to see, you can see the floor where there will be darkness. So as you can see here, so the lights are play very important role to increase the visibility. Now we will make, now we will go to the mushroom. You can see there is a orange light in the mushroom. So how it is, so we will make it from the scratch. So simply you can see this is a static light, or we can also create a dynamic light. So we will also make these all mushrooms on all the other graves. So simply you can see this is a mushroom with no lighting. You can see the difference. Simply go to build, in the gizmos you will find light option. So go to dynamic light. Place it over the mushroom and you will able to see there is an instant white glow. But we have to change the color to orange. We have changed, like you can see how the lightings are affecting the environment. So we have, you can also control the intensity, like one I will keep it 0.8, and you can control the intensity according to the objects. So I will duplicate all the lights and all the graves, and yeah, it has been done. So we will go to the closer option. As you can see that we are building lights for the mushroom. So the lights should be like natural. It should glow the mushroom size. So keep the intensity and all the things according to you, your environment. It depends a lot. So this is the only information that I will give you for now, and slowly we will cover all the things in the meta horizon. We are placing all the lights on the mushroom, and you have to keep a thing like the light size should be or the equal to the mushroom, or it should be less to the mushroom. It's no, should not be large through the mushroom or your object that you are placing light through. So now we will also duplicate all the mushrooms by Ctrl plus T, and you can see the lights are pretty good on the mushrooms. We will go to the preview option and you can see that difference. Like some of the mushrooms are in the sky, they are not, they are looking not good. So we will fix them. So simply we will move them and give them their location. So now it is looking realistic. Yes. So we are done with it. You can see like the static light, and you can see the difference here. There is no light. So we will also make the lights here. So simply now we will go to the dynamic light here again, and you can see, oh sorry, we have placed the environment light, and you can see the environment has been set, but it is not fit in this, as the environment is put to, yeah, wait, sorry, I have placed these graves oppositely and they were facing the wrong direction. So now we will make them forward, and we will, yeah, so we will also do the same with the another graves. You can see there is no light. We will add the lights here also. So now let's play with some of the gizmos. So I am also new to the gizmo section of the door. I have seen it, I have not used it, so I will simply drag and drop. When you will feel anything like you do not know anything in the Dexo editor, you simply have to try it, and all the things are mentioned here that what it does. So we will simply move it and place it like a door, that it should look good and it should look like a teleport machine. Like you can see it is not looking good. We will, in the preview section, it is not readable, so we will rotate it and we will make it like a gate. Now we will move it and wait in the Z axis, like you can see, and rotate it with a 90-degree. Now we will able to see it's looking pretty good. We will press E on the keyboard and you can pre-table all the things, like you can do this. It is so good. So now what we will do, as you can see, we will go to the public section and we will add the pumpkins here randomly. So I will find this pumpkin. Yeah, this pumpkin is looking good. So it is loading as it wait. We have to wait here, and yes, it has been loaded. Now in the through the move section, we will remove it, and we will place it over the grave. We will also rotate it to see his face. We will also add lighting here. Go to dynamic lighting, and you can see like instantly there will be a glow up of the mystery. Wait. We will make it forward something. Yeah. Now you can see it. Yes. So now our environment has been completed, and we will now add the skeleton. Simply in the public assets, you will see the skeleton, and you have to select any skeleton if you want. So I will select this skeleton, and you can see that the foot of the skeleton is in the air. And now we will fix it. First, we will add the more asset related to skeleton. So we will go to the skeleton grab hand, like you can see here, and we will drag and drop here. To make it like graveyard look, we will add something related to graveyard, and in my mic currently there is skeleton only. So we will place it here. As you can see in the close view, it look like this. As you can see in the developers.matter.com, this is the documentation. And when you will go to the part 2, there is option add a pedestal. So click on the demo assets. These are the demo assets of the gun, like textures, the model of the gun that we will grab in our hand. All the things are given by Meta for free, and this is so great, yeah. So simply let it loads, and it will be downloaded as a folder, as a zip file folder. So first we have to extract all the files. Let us see. So simply it is downloaded, is done. Now we will open it, and we will click on the demo assets folder. We will go to extract all option, and we will click on the extract option. So I have already done, so I will replace the files. So it is done. So now you can see in the demo assets folder, there are lot of folder like BR tag, MEO tag that we have discussed in the previous video. And you can also see the FBX model here. Like this is the stone block kit. We will use all these things in the desktop editor. Now, I will tell you how to add them if you do not know. So simply, now we will go to the desktop editor interface. In the interface, you will go to My Assets, Add New 3D Model, go to the File section where we have placed our demo assets. Wait, I have to find them. Yes, here it is. So when you will go to the folder now, in the demo assets, you have to select single block kit underscore VR. You have to select these two files only, and this is very important. Do not select any other file. So simply you have chosen these two files, and this is okay. You have to on the preserve offset option and click the import product. In a few seconds you will be able to see those files are been uploaded, and you can, yeah, now as you can see your file has been loaded, and in the preview section you can see it is like a stone. We can also scale it. So now we will add gun to wait. Yeah. So now simply go to My Assets and click on the 3D model. In the 3D, now we have to selected the files carefully. We have selected the FBX folder and all the files related to the rifle. You can see this like A underscore BR, A underscore MEO, underscore BR and underscore MEO. We will off the preserve offset because we have added many materials, and these are the materials like for something is like of the scope, and everything has a different textures. So we will import it carefully, and you have to off the preserve offset option. And now in the few seconds you will be able to see like core weapon has been imported successfully. As you can see, all the assets have been imported successfully into the horizon, and now we will drag and drop the rifle into the scene, and we will take a close view. All the textures like black and gray, they have been perfectly into the rifle. And now we'll place a rifle over the stone to make it like perfectly good. Yeah, now you can see it is looking good. And now to make it functionable, as when you will go to the preview section na, you will be able to see like there will be matlab you cannot pick up the rifle. So first now we will add the light to make it a glow, like the rifle is having some kind of glow here. So we will add the light according to the rifle, so like it should put some of the glow on the stone. So simply go to the build section and you will see the gizmos. Go to the dynamic light and scale it upon your choice and place it under the rifle. It will give a realistic lighting effect. So now we will go to the mushroom and we will fix it. Okay. So now with the yes. So now we'll go to the property section of the rifle, and when you will go to the preview section, as you can see, you will not be able to grab the rifle. So first go to the properties of the rifle, and in the collision layer it is everything, and motion you have to keep it interactive. When you will keep it interactive, you can handle the rifle. Yeah, there is a E key, you can see. Simply press the E key and you can see like this is a rifle. It is not in a good way we are holding the rifle, but you have hold it. So now we will make the changes slowly of the rifle. Now we will do some of the settings of the rifle. Simply we have to go to the property section again and we have to do changes. Scroll down to more and click on the use VR grab anchor and on it. Simply HWS on it and HWS grab anchor you have to also on it. Other setting you do not have to change. In the property section you can see like there is avatar pose. In the avatar pose it is default, but you have to do the rifle. You can change it to pistol, shotgun, etc. But we have to do it with the rifle. So first we will do with the pistol and see that how it looks. We will click on the E and you can see like see the pistol shape. This is a pistol. If it is a gun is like small pistol, so we will do the avatar pose as pistol, but this is a rifle, so we will do the avatar pose as rifle to make it good look good when we are holding it. Yeah. So now you can see that how our character holds the rifle, how it moves while the jumping, and when you do right click, how its position changed. Take a close view and it is looking good. So do the right click, but now we have to fire a rifle. So our rifle will not be fired until we do changes or put like project launcher gizmo that we will do now for a rifle. So simply go to the build section and in the gizmos you will find the projectile launcher. Yeah. You simply drag the projectile launcher into the scene and it will be like a arrow shape. You can also see what the project launcher do by clicking on it, and there will be a text you can also rate it. So simply we have to move the projectile on the face of the gun from like where our bullet will pass. So I am scaling it down because like our rifle is small, so scale it down according to your weapon. If you have a large weapon, then scale it up, and I am scaling it down. So now you can see like it is perfectly looking. You have to check it from every angle. So now you can see I have to do it something upward direction because it is not perfect. First I will scale it perfectly. You can scale it from any axis, X, Y and Z axis. And now I will move it. As you can see it is something downward. So first I will make it upward and I will make like you can see it is overlapping the rifle. So from here or should get out. So now I have created a new script. I will get a new script because these are my past script. So I will create a new script like gun. So here how you can add a script under 7. So after you add the script, then you have to make the execution more local. It is very important. And then make it local, and then you have to click it. So it will open in VS Code. If you do not have VS Code, so you can also open in any other compiler or editor. And you can see this is a boilerplate code of the gun.ts, as you can see. So now we will replace the code. All the codes will be in the description. I will provide you all the codes for free in the description. So simply you have to copy that code and then you have to paste it on the file. So दूसरा key simply, this is a code that I have in the notepad. So simply I will copy this code and I will paste it on the file. So wait, let me copy this code. I will start from import and I will enter the shoot. So I have copied. Now I will go to the VS Code. In the VS Code, first I will remove all the things and then simply Ctrl V, I have pasted the code. Now the changes have been made correctly. So now if you go to the Wolf desktop editor, then you have to go to the, you can see there is no error. So now you have to go to the rifle section. As you can see, we are on the rifle. Now there is a attached script section. Simply go here and there is a gun shoot. We have made gun.ts, so there is a gun script. So you can see there is a launcher option where none is selected. So you have to type here projectile launcher. I have actually made a gun before, so there is two, but आपको तो एक ही आएगा, but you will get only one. So you have selected the projectile launcher and click OK. Now there will be error. If I go to the preview section, so you will see. So when I will hold the gun by pressing E key, and projectile is firing from there only where we have placed. It is not going through the gun as we are firing by right click. So we will fix this issue. This is a very common issue that everybody get, but I bet there is a no video on YouTube that covers this topic. So simply what you have to do, you have done everything right, but you can see that projectile launcher is outside of the rifle. Simply you have to expand by clicking the arrow of A sub D battle rifle, and then you have to place it inside. So first I will change the name to new gun because I have two projectile launcher and it will create me confusion. So now you can see everything is right. Simply you have to do drag the projectile launcher or the new gun that we have made and put it inside a battle rifle, and you have to put inside a battle rifle. And now when you will do preview and you will press E key to hold it, and you can see it is firing from the gun only. The main issue has been fixed. Okay, so now we will move forward and we will add effects on the gun, different effects on the gun. So now you can see that how our character fires the gun, but the shots are going very high. If you want the shots should go to the ground, simply select the rifle and scroll down. You will get two options: grab aim position and grab anchor. Simply you have to go to grab anchor and select the 0 to -10, and there is one more option here, and you have to do it -5, -10, that your according to that we will see. So first I will make -10, -5, and down I will also make -5. So you can see like the angle of the holding the gun gets something down. If you want to get it more down, then you have to decrease this. -10 I have done. If we will do -15, and it will decrease angle when we will hold the gun. So till now we have made the basic gun. So now we will add some of the effects on the gun, like you will be able to reload the gun by pressing R key. Then you can see the total ammo, you can see the remaining ammo, and there is a very cool smoking effect when you will fire. Then it will be done. Simply go to build section and go to text and select two texts. One is of total ammo and one is of reload ammo. Then you have to also select the particle effects. It is used to create smoking effect. We will select the particle effects here. You can see what it does in the left section, and so in the right section, and we will place it here, and we are done with it. We will also do the ray cast. it is the laser option. So when we will hold the gun, it will make the laser on and we will be able to fire it. So now we have taken all the things. Make sure please hold the things under the rifle only, and otherwise it will not work. As we have seen in the case of new gun, that is our projectile launcher. Simply you have to make a thing. We will give a new name to all of them. So to remove the confusion, there are two texts. For one, I will make the name as reload. I will typing reload here. And now you will be able to do right click and you can change the name. Otherwise you can also change the name in the property section on the top. Simply we will go to prototype particle effects and we will name it smoke. And in the recast we will name it nishana, that is target in Hindi. So we have named it nishana. Now all the assets have been ready. So now all the assets of a gun are ready. Now we have to place them in the exact position so they look so good. So first we will start with the recast. So in the recast you will have to move it and the laser should be where our bullet will fire. So you have to see it from every angle, that I have also said in the case of projectile launcher. As you can see, it overrides the gun, it is perfect, and the blue laser from where it will fire. Okay, then now you can see it is looking so good. So now we will scale down it because the size of gun is looking small in comparison with recast. So simply there is a lot of the files. Simply click on the drop down simply click on drop down and you can see all of files in less time because there are more files in the my first world. So simply scale it down and scale it down from every angle to make it accurate. So now we will move it something forward from where our projectile pointer. Yes. So now it is done. So we are done with the recast. Now we will do with the text. So the text boxes are very good. So we will place one of the text in the left side and the right side of the rifle, and one of total ammo and one of reload, that you will be able to see. So place them wisely, select both the things. First move them in the angle, then we will scale it down. So now you can see that we have moved them and we have scaled it down one of them. So similarly you have to scale it the other one. Similarly you have to scale down the other one and make sure that from every angle you should reduce it so it looks so good. So now the particle effects thing. So the particle effects will give you smoke effect. So simply first we will reduce the side because it is very huge. We will mold the size of smoke effect and yes, we will do this only, and you can see the smoke effect. So simply you have to go here and scale it, and now we will move it to the gun head. So now we are moving it from where our bullet will fire. There we want the smoking effect. If you want something else, so you can also change the position of the smoking effect or the particle effects. So all the things have been done of our rifle now. So now we will go to the script section and we will enhance our script. So wait. So we will go to the script section and we will set the gun. Wait, before then I will see all the things of the rifle are okay or not. So when I move to different angle, I am able to see like the textures are so big. So I will reduce it. So first I will reduce the one of them. Yes. So now I will reduce the other of them. So then we will move forward. Simply you have to rotate the text because when you hold the rifle, it will give you mirror view if you not rotate it. Simply we will rotate the other one. I have made the another script, the gun script, in which I have made all the code, and these all codes are provided in the description. I am saying it again. you can access them. So you can able to see this is a TypeScript code. If you do not know, simply copy the code and paste it here. And now when we'll move to the meta desktop editor, you simply attach the gun script file. First remove that file and attach it. Now there are many options. You have to select them correctly. In the projectile launcher, we have to select new gun, as you know. In the clip ammo text, clip ammo matlab reload. So we will select reload. In the total ammo, we will select total ammo. We will select total ammo. Yes. In the gun smoke if VFX, we will select the smoke. In the laser side, then we will select the nishana, and the laser dot we will also select the nishana. So simply so now we will go to the preview section. You can see preview section. Either you are cyclist or you will go to that. You will be able to again like I have to buy the home again and reopen. You won't be able to see the viability do it. So there is a something sometimes there is a glitch in my laptop or it in desktop editor. It will not show you the changes. In the laser don't you can also add the sphere. So okay, so I will also show you how to add the sphere. Like I will make a sphere to a dot. So simply you have to go to the build section and you will be able to see shape, select the sphere. Then you have to scale down the size of sphere. You shall like it should look like a dot. So simply place it over the laser and you have to move it backwards. Like give it something space and then move it backward. Wait, let me see, like from here it is outwards. I will move it inside this and now I will move it towards the gun. Yes. So now it has been done. Now in the rifle section we will replace the laser dot by the dot section that we have renamed it. So now you can see there will be a dot. We will place a skeleton also and you can see like it is shooting on the skeleton heads. So you will be not able to see the text as you can see. So simply publish your world with this setting. Take pause the video and with these settings you have to publish your world. You can also change the tags and age rating according to your world. And after that go back to the home. Then you will go back to the home. Then wait a minute. Yeah, now we are now in the home section. Then click on the new world or the world name that you have given to it. So now it is taking some time to open. Yes, now it has been open. Wait for some time. It get reload fully. So simply you have to click the preview section directly and you will see there will be changes. So yes, our character is ready. We will move towards the one and now we will press the E key. Like you can see there will be 60 ammos. The text are smaller, but you can see like there are total 60 ammos and now 15s are remaining in the rifle. So first what we will scale the text because they are looking so small. We will scale them. Is go to the preview section and you have to go to the gun. I know it is difficult to do that, but you have to do it. So you can now see it is a very good effect, like 15 ammo and 60. So we will test it. It is correct or not. We will simply fire it and you can see the ammo's numbers are reducing 7, 6, 5 and it is reducing. So now we will click R for reload and you can also see there are 45 remaining and 15 they are fully reloaded. One time 15. So we will click R again and you can see we will use a gun. So we have covered a detailed tutorial on how to create a simple world and in gun in the Meta Horizon desktop editor. If you like the video then please press the like button of the video and you can also check out the Discord channel of Meta Horizon and the other links of documentation and the Meta are in the description. So if you face any issue, you can contact anybody in the community and they will help you, or you can comment in this video that what video head I should make of the desktop editor. I will make it for you. So this is for the today's video. We will meet in another video of the meta horizon. Till then, take care and bye.